Hi, I'm Raw Chef Yin, and today I'm going to make vegan Gong Bao mushrooms. Traditionally, Gong Bao is usually made with chicken, but today we're using mushrooms and it'll be just as delicious! So for the Gong Bao mushrooms, we are going to use the following ingredients. So let's start making the sauce first. For the sauce, I'm going to add all these ingredients into the blender. The red chilies, the sun-dried tomatoes, the vinegar, and some soy sauce, the chili powder, miso paste, and some sesame, as well as the coconut palm syrup. Okay, so let's blend it all up. So now the sauce is all nicely blended up. We'll put it into our mixing bowl. Okay, so we'll put in the mushrooms and the rest of the veggies into the sauce and mix it all up. So here's our mushrooms going in, dried chilies, the ginger, red bell pepper, as well as the green bell pepper. So let's mix it well and ensure that the sauce is coating every ingredient. So once the veggies and the mushrooms are well coated with the Gong Bao sauce, we're going to put it on the serving plate and then add in the rest of the garnishes. So let's put this onto the serving plate. Got this beautiful, gorgeous colors coming from the red bell pepper and the green bell pepper, and it goes really well with the mushrooms. And now we'll put the rest of the garnish on top. So let's start with the cashew nuts. Right, we'll put in the spring onions on top, and then the coriander, and add some spiciness, the Szechuan pepper, and also some white pepper. So, there you go! Here's your Gong Bao mushrooms. So let's try it! I really like how it has sweet, savory, sour, and spicy. So if you like this video, remember to click like and subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell so you'll be the first to get updates from all of us. So remember to leave your comments below and let me know what you want me to make next.